how to connect your Fitbit app to your iPhone. So from within the app, we want to click on the phone and watch icon right here at the top left corner. Then from here, we will add a new device. So in this case, it's going to be a phone. If we add it, we will be able to record our steps, track exercise, log our meals, as well as stay social. So if we click on continue, then we have to scroll down, read through this information, click on agree. And then we have to connect Fitbit to Apple Health to track our steps. So it will show us that we need to actually open the Health app, go to sharing and apps and Fitbit. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here we have the Health app. If we click on it, then it will be on summary, but we have to select sharing and then scroll down until we see apps and services. So select this option and click on Fitbit. So we have to select turn on all. So now Fitbit will be connected to our phone. As you can see, you're ready to go. You can start using the Fitbit app on your phone. So if you click on done, then we are good to go. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.